Hello, ma'am. Good day. My name is Gadget Daimar and I will answer the question: is a criminal investigation considered an art or a science? Criminal investigation is both an art and a science. It is a science because investigators use systematic and proven methods. For example, DNA testing, fingerprints and analysis, ballistics, and toxicology are all based on scientific principles. Edmund Locker's exchange principle that every contact leaves a trace shows how evidence can be studied scientifically to connect suspect with the crime scene. And these methods gives objective and reliable result that can be tested and used in court. At the same time, investigation is also an art. It requires human skill like interviewing and observing behavior, analyzing an information, and making sound judgment. An investigator must think critically, creativity to connect piece of evidence, identify motives, and construct events. These are things science alone cannot do in reality. Both the art and the science must work together. Science provides it the hard evidence, and while the arts of investigation allows the evidence to be interpreted and used to show cases. If one is missing, investigation become incomplete, and criminal investigation is considered both an art and science. Science provides the facts, while art are providing the skills to put those facts together. Only by combining both can investigators uncover the truth and deliver justice.